Hello there, I'm Rolf and you're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf. On the menu today, we're going to make some French toast. I have cinnamon roll and I have Hawaiian Sweet Rolls. We're starting off with 3 eggs. We're going to add equal-ish amount of heavy cream. A good shake of some cinnamon. And some nutmeg. And we're going to get out my handy dandy whisk here. Check the temperature of the griddle. Yeah, we're good to go there. Get some butter going on here. I pre-sliced the bread last night and wanted to let it dry out a little bit. Why? Because we're about to add a whole lot of moisture to it. Let that soak a little bit and flip it. Flip it. There we go. Let that drain a little bit. Now for Hawaiian rolls, a pan would be better than this bowl. I also pre-cut these. These are gonna break apart on me. Oh yeah. That's okay. Slit the tops of the Hawaiian rolls. Allow some of our mix to get in there. And you know what I didn't add? I didn't put the vanilla in. Oh, next time. See how this guy's doing. He's looking good. Switch these out. Yeah, we're looking good there too. These are gonna come off. Some bananas on here, and into the mix. That wasn't supposed to happen. Strawberries. Unfortunately, these were frozen, but they will do. Locally made real maple syrup. And the cinnamon roll is done. These are just getting some strawberries. And some maple syrup. How much syrup you like on yours? Type down in the comment section below. Let me know. What would you do different? I think we're going to call that a wrap. Thank you for watching and have a great day.